Hi, this is Henry with Neighborhood Carpet Cleaners, and I'm here with one of my clients out here in McLean, Virginia. We just picked up his rug. Well, not we picked up his rug a couple weeks ago, and now we're delivering it. This rug is actually from Tibet, and it has a little bit of silk and wool woven together. And we were able to clean it to where it is satisfactory to the client. This rug was a condition where it was stored and had mold on it on both sides. We were able to take that out and also treat it as well. So I just want to ask the client a few questions and see how he likes our services and things of that nature. So when we picked up the rug, we did an estimate and you showed us the mold and stuff like that. Are you pleased with the results?
I am. It looks good. There's no traces of any mold and no visible stains.
Absolutely. How about our response time to get to you? Was that to your satisfaction as well?
Yeah, it was as promised within a couple week period, and you were communicative and easy to get a hold of. So yeah, very happy from that standpoint.
Absolutely. And then would you recommend us to family, friends, and coworkers, anyone who?
Wholeheartedly.
Awesome, awesome. I really do appreciate that, and thank you for allowing us to take this rug and clean it for you. And if you need any other services, you know the number. Or if you have any other questions, you know where to call me. And yeah, thank you.
You're welcome.
All
Thank
right.
you.